Have you ever wondered if the smallest mammals on Earth could actually outperform animals hundreds of times their size? Some of them survive deadly venom. Others eat almost non-stop just to stay alive. And one tiny creature has a heart that beats so fast, it almost sounds impossible. By the end of this video, you'll discover why being small might actually be one of nature's greatest superpowers. 1. The tiny giant. You might think small animals are weak, but that's exactly where nature fools us. Meet the Etruscan shrew, the smallest mammal on Earth by mass. It weighs only around 2 grams. That's lighter than a single sheet of paper. Yet despite its tiny size, it lives at an unbelievable speed. Its heart can beat over 1,000 times every minute. To put that into perspective, a human heart usually beats around 60 to 100 times per minute. If this tiny creature stops eating for just a few hours, it could actually starve to death. Its body burns energy so quickly that every minute becomes a race against time. Imagine waking up every day, knowing you must constantly hunt or die. That's normal life for this incredible mammal. 2. Faster than you think. Here's something even crazier. The Etruscan shrew doesn't slowly search for food. It attacks. Its reaction time is unbelievably fast, using sensitive whiskers. It can detect insects almost instantly, even in complete darkness. Within fractions of a second, it knows exactly where its prey is hiding. Scientists have observed these tiny hunters moving so quickly that many attacks are almost impossible to see with the naked eye. For something smaller than your thumb, it's an incredibly efficient predator. 3. The bat that fits in your hand. Now let's leave the ground. Meet Kitty's hog-nosed bat, often called the bumblebee bat. It's considered the smallest bat in the world. Its body is only about 3 centimeters long. You could easily fit one inside the palm of your hand. But don't underestimate it, despite its tiny body. It flies with incredible precision through dark caves and dense forests. Using echolocation, it creates a sound map of the world around it. It can avoid obstacles, find tiny insects, and return home, all in complete darkness. Imagine navigating your entire life without using your eyes. 4. Living on the edge. Being tiny comes with huge dangers. Owls, snakes, cats, foxes. Almost everything wants to eat them. So how do they survive? Simple. They rarely stop moving. Many of these mammals stay hidden beneath leaves, inside tunnels, or become active only at night. Their best defense isn't strength. It's staying unnoticed. Sometimes, the greatest survival strategy is never being seen. And if you think these tiny mammals are already impressive, wait until you see the last one. It survives conditions that would kill many much larger animals. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. 5. A body built for speed. Tiny mammals have another secret. Everything inside their bodies works at extreme speed. Their breathing, their heartbeat, even their digestion. Food is converted into energy almost immediately. This allows them to move non-stop throughout the day. But there's a downside. If temperatures drop too much, or food becomes scarce, their survival becomes a real challenge. Nature gave them amazing speed, but demanded constant effort in return. 6. Fearless hunters. Here's something surprising. Many shrews hunt animals almost their own size. Some even attack worms much longer than their bodies. Others aren't afraid to challenge spiders, centipedes, or dangerous insects. Their confidence doesn't come from size. It comes from instinct. Every successful hunt means another chance to survive. Miss too many meals, and the clock starts running out. 7. The amazing pygmy mouse. Not every tiny mammal is a hunter. Meet the African pygmy mouse. It's one of the smallest rodents in the world. But what makes it extraordinary is its climbing ability. It effortlessly climbs thin grass stems that barely support its own weight. It builds tiny nests hidden high above the ground. To predators below, it almost disappears. Sometimes, the safest place is the one nobody thinks to look. 8. The survivor that shouldn't exist. Now for the most unbelievable one. The tiny desert jerboa. This miniature mammal survives in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Blazing heat during the day, cold nights, very little water, yet it keeps going. Its long legs allow it to leap incredible distances compared to its body size. Those jumps help it escape predators in seconds. Even more impressive, it gets much of the water it needs directly from its food, sometimes without drinking at all. For an animal so tiny, its survival skills are absolutely extraordinary. Nature proves once again, size has nothing to do with power. The world's smallest mammals may look fragile, but behind their tiny bodies are some of the most incredible survival abilities on Earth. Lightning-fast hearts, supercharged metabolism, perfect night navigation, fearless hunting, and astonishing endurance. These tiny creatures remind us that true strength isn't always measured by size. So, which one surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed discovering nature's hidden superpowers, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.